Welcome to Kaiser Voices, the story of success, brought to you by Kaiser University Graduate School, here where the academic world meets personal triumph. Join us today as we dive into the captivating tales of success.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast today. The two topics, or I should say two questions we're going to be dealing with is how to set our goals to learn AI in 2024. And the second question we're going to dive into today in our podcast is what are the trends to learn in AI in 2024? So the first question is, how are you going to set your goals to learn about AI in 2024? So setting your goals to learn AI in 2024 would be your first approach is to evolve rapidly, would be to learn about new skills. You need to define your purpose. And what we mean by defining your purpose, write down the specific reasons for learning AI, whether it is a career goal or a project you want to work on, or a curiosity to understand emerging technologies. Having a clear purpose keeps you motivated. The next thing would be is to understand the AI concepts. You might want to start some online courses like Kaiser University. We have different fields like fintech. We have people who are interested in psychology, healthcare. So we have a broad spectrum that you can jot down. And if you wanted to learn more about AI for your purpose to understand, and then to choose a specialization. And we just mentioned a brief moment ago, and if you're in your master's already in the AI, you might want to research different AI specialization that we mentioned in our previous podcast. If you're unsure, you can start broad and narrow you down as you gain more insight. So for example, explore computer vision courses, natural language processing, and reinforcement learning. You can also meet with your academic advisors here at Kaiser, and they will actually help you to set up more goals and fine tune it for you. And then the next thing you want to acquire prerequisite skills like for programming, like free code camp. There's some open source and statistical courses that we offer here at Kaiser. And you can enroll courses here like Python. We have other courses, fintech, if you're interested in the field of whether you want to be project management or whether you want to be the manager, or if you want to write code. We have the best of both worlds in the fintech world. Hands-on projects, we do offer that here with creating like a quick chat bot. If you're more in the tech savvy, and if you're definitely more project side or more into the healthcare sector, we have hands-on projects for the nursing with simulations of people who have certain diagnoses. They can do some role play and how AI can go into play with that. If you're more in the legal realm, we have the legal department that can help you to ascertain your degree in how AI can help you in your research. You can also read research papers. You can create a foundation papers and gradually move to recent publications. The library is a good source that we have here at Kaiser. Also build a network. You want to connect with professionals on LinkedIn, engage in discussion, sharing insights, ask questions, as well as our professors here at Kaiser. Attend conferences and webinars, both local and virtual. And you also want to stay consistent. So you have to set a realistic study schedule. Consistency is more important than intensity. So you can use your tools, meaning setting your time management for yourself. Say, for example, our attention span is like 5 minutes. So maybe 5 minutes you can say, okay, what is it that I need to learn, that I need to help to improve in my career, and maybe also in my personal endeavors. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to evaluate and reiterate. So you also want to regularly assess your understanding. If the concept is challenging, revisit it or find alternative explanations. Be adaptable in your learning methods. Here at Kaiser, we have a wealth of individuals here at Kaiser that are in the field of psychology. If you want a degree in psychology, if you want a degree in law, we do have wonderful professors here that can help you in those lines. We do have advisors that do help you to fine-tune your AI, how it will align with your job and help you to be employable in the workforce. And also if you want to be an entrepreneur-minded, The next thing is also a capstone project. You want to apply your knowledge to a larger project. You can use personal AI assistant, and predictive analytical tools and contributing open source AI project, as well as align it with here at Kaiser. You definitely want to stay inquisitive when you're in the field of AI. You want to subscribe to newsletters, follow blogs. Also, our podcast here would be very helpful. Stay updated on conferences, explore new technologies and frameworks. There are some websites like arxiv.org, or there's also some websites here at Kaiser that can help you stay in line with the AI. We also have data science courses here. So remember, learning journey is unique for each person. So you have to tailor these steps to your pace and preferences and celebrate each milestone along the way. I always tell my students that you always do a 5-minute interval. If you have a hard time staying focused in those 5 minutes, what is it specifically you want to learn about AI? If you don't know what the terminology is the best thing is to understand what is it, what is the meaning of it, and how would you apply it in your everyday life and also professionally. So the next question is what are the trends to learn about artificial intelligence in 2024? So in 2024, artificial intelligence is likely to continue evolving exponentially. So here are some trends you might want to focus on as you are aligning or setting your goals of 2024. So in 2024, artificial intelligence is likely to contribute evolving rapidly on explainable AI, known as XAI. And this means as AI systems become more complex, there's a growing need for transparency and interpretability, understanding how to make AI models explainable, interpretable, and a crucial trend. Artificial intelligence in the healthcare industry is increasingly leveraging AI for diagnostics, personalized medicine, drug discovery. Learning about the intersection of AI and healthcare can be particularly valuable. I can't speak today, I'm sorry everyone. So we do have a nursing program, so if you're interested in the healthcare, they can be your go-to person. The edge of AI, with the rise of Internet of Things devices, there's a shift towards processing AI computations on the edge rather than relying solely on the cloud computing. So we can explore how AI can be deployed on the edge devices efficiently. Then, of course, there's the artificial intelligence ethics and bias mitigation. So there's ethical considerations in AI, along with addressing biases and algorithms are gaining prominence. Understanding the ethical implications of AI methods to mitigate biases is crucial for responsible AI development. If you're interested in becoming a psychologist, we do have a psychology department that can align it with the AI tools to help you in that regards. If you want to look at it in a legal point of view, we do have a legal point of view as that. If you want to be in the fintech world, there's also ethics in regards in fintech. Then the next thing you want to think about is reinforcement learning. You want to dive deeper into reinforcement learning, especially in applications like robotics, gaming, autonomous systems. Open AI advancements in the field are worth exploring. So we do have gaming, we do have all of those. If you're interested in that, Kaiser is your go-to place. The next one you want to talk about is natural language processing advances. So you want to stay up to date on the latest developments in natural language processing. This including language models like GPT, Grin. There's a new one out, believe it or not, and then there's one from Google. You want to explore these applications as a sentiment analysis, as a language translation. You want to use them as a tool, but you definitely do not want to use them as your leverage. You want to be able to incorporate your critical thinking. AI can only go so far. And what we mean by that is what we program it to do. And with the natural language processing, the neural networks, it can think a little bit like us, but we still have to have that human element to keep everything in a line. The next thing is artificial intelligence for cybersecurity. So with the increasing frequency of cyber threats, artificial intelligence plays a vital role in enhancing cybersecurity. So learning about AI-driven approaches for threat detection, anomaly detection, and secure systems architectures, And here at Kaiser University, we do have an excellent cybersecurity. So if you want to get a degree in that, we definitely have exceptional professors that can definitely help you to hone in those skills and help you to get into the market that you want, whether you want to be an entrepreneur or whether you want to work for an organization. The next one is quantum computing and AI. So quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize artificial intelligence. So you want to familiarize yourself with the basics of quantum computing and its intersection with machine learning. And if you're interested in that, you can learn it in a fintech realm. You can learn it as a computer science point of view. It depends on which way you want to go in the quantum computing fields, because AI is very vast. The next one is artificial intelligence in finance. You want to explore how AI is transforming the financial sector, from algorithmic trading and fraud detections to customer service and risk management. So we do have a master's program of fintech, and we have well-rounded experts, professors in this field, both in the AI world, in the financial sector. So we're putting in the best of both worlds into this program. And there's a lot of certifications in fintech, but you still sometimes, organizations prefer people who have a master's. So this would be your go-to place for 2024. You can always reach out to us in that regard. The next one is we're talking about AI-driven and creativity. So artificial intelligence is being built to enhance creativity in various fields, including art, music, content creation, understanding how AI tools can collaborate with human creativity. That can also be in psychology courses, nursing, etc. Artificial intelligence in agriculture. So there's agriculture technologies that are incorporating AI for crop monitoring, precision farming, yield prediction, explore how AI is addressing the challenges in the agriculture sector. Artificial intelligence governance and regulations, stay informed about the evolving regulatory landscape for AI, understand the governance framework, compliance requirements related to responsible AI development. Artificial intelligence and augmented reality, known as AR. So you want to explore how AI and AR, which is augmented reality, are converging to create immersive experiences. So this includes applications like gaming, education, training, and virtual collaboration. Staying curious, adaptable as the new trends may merge throughout the year. So continuous learning and staying informed about these latest advancements will position you well into the dynamic field of AI in the year of 2024. So this concludes our podcast. So stay tuned for our future podcasts. So thank you very much. And I hope you have a wonderful 2023. And I hope 2024 will be a wonderful time to setting goals for you to learn about AI.
Thank you for journeying with us today on Kaiser Voices, the story of success. As we close this chapter, remember, every story has its next page.